In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to shadow creation in Photoshop. Let's go. Go to the Photoshop select option. Then choose subject. And go to the Photoshop menu bar window. Then choose layer. Background layer copy. Control hold selection and layer on alter delete and Control D deselect. Control T right click desktop. Go to the layer, blending option, go to the filter, choose blur, then Gaussian blur. Increase and decrease radiance. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.